And finally, it appears that the Karnataka Home Minister has been forced to act after the India Today report. Home Minister Parameshwara visiting the Bengaluru prison. And this, remember, after India Today exposed how in a prison, facing murder charges, a well-known actor of the Kannada film industry decides to be enjoying beverages, cigarettes, perfume, can make video phone calls, chilling basically, despite having at least accused of right now of torture and then getting a person murdered brutally from hired goons. G. Parameshwar taking stock of the jail lapses. On your screen about how there were undated but verified images that have now come to the access of India Today, where this actor Darshan, remember, accused of having killed Renukaswamy with hired goons, and now has been in jail. But there are images surfacing that he seems to be enjoying beverages, cigarettes, 15 containers with luxury items in it, facilities that are not the usual protocol to any prisoner have been found in his prison cell. Talking away to other gangster inmates, as if definitely not looking like from these images that he is in a prison supposed to be serving punishment, and while this, remember, serious charges of torture and murder against him. So that's the big news coming in. Karnataka's Home Minister forced to act, visits the Bengaluru prison, takes stock of the jail lapses, and this, remember, has come in only because of these videos that have surfaced. The question is, was the government at all aware that there was already this kind of lax attitude? Because the fact is, it cannot come to the prisoner by itself. Were there jail officials involved? Are there staff members who are supposed to be involved with security and strict security, remember, managing to yet get all these items to Darshan? Because if there are multiple layer security checks which are done at any prison, specifically when it's a high security prisoner of the nature that Darshan is, how can so many facilities be provided? And the question is, are other criminals or other prison inmates allowed similar facilities of mobile phone calls, video calls, tea at a time when they can sit and chat with their friends, cigarettes, perfumes, all of this recovered from his prison cell. So we'll just try and put out more details about what exactly happened. But remember, since the morning we've been trying to update about how these images are surfacing. Anaga Keshav joins me now. Anaga, so clearly now the Home Minister reacts, but again the question is, would something be done about it?
Well, Pooja, at the moment, 7 prison officers have been suspended for lapses, while discharging their duties. It's been proved that Darshan and co were able to relax in the manner that they did only with the help and with with an agreement or a nexus of sorts between the jail staff and the rowdy sheeters that we are seeing in the visuals that we put out. The photo that we are showing on our screens is also authentic, is what is the kind of confirmation that we have. We are reporting from outside Parappana Agrahara prison. In fact, Home Minister Dr. G. Parameshwar and DGP, Director General of Police Alok Mohan, all of them are inside Parappana Agrahara prison. They are taking stock of the situation. But another interesting development, according to our sources, what we found out is that Darshan and co, they're all put inside high security cell, but they've also recovered 15 containers from inside the cells of these prisoners, where the police suspect that there are hordes of cigarettes, perfume bottles and liquor being stocked up inside these containers. Very questionable as to how these items even got inside Parappana Agrahara prison. So keeping all these things in mind, 7 officers who work for the prison department have been suspended for lapses while discharging their duties. In fact, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has also taken cognizance of this case and has sought a detailed report from all the top cops as to what exactly happened. How come Darshan and co were meted out, the kind of VVIP treatment that they got. All these details, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has sought a report. But for now, as we speak, Pooja, Home Minister Dr. G. Parameshwar is inside Parappana Agrahara Central Prison, taking stock as to what exactly happened from top cops.
Stay on with me, Anaga, because the fact is, it is about one image and one visual. That has caught everyone off guard, because it was believed that this actor and his partner Pavitra Gowda and 11 others accused of torture and murder must be rotting away in prison, that they must be serving punishment. But then these visuals emerged. Look at the images carefully on your screen. He's a popular film star. He's in jail in connection with a murder case, and he's seen getting what we clearly can see as a VIP treatment. Now, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has taken cognizance of this case, directed to shift Darshan and others to different barracks. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwar has visited the site, we are told, to examine the lapses, issued orders suspending 7 prison officials, seeking a report from the DGP as well. But this, remembers, after India Today since morning has been consistently putting out these visuals and the kind of images that are surfacing. The fact is that can a prison inmate and of a high security profile as he is, so easily make phone calls and video calls at that? There is no fear. He's not trying to hide anything. This undated viral picture also then shows sitting inside what looks like perhaps is a park area in the premises, relaxing, beverage, cigarette, laughing away. Does that image tell you that they're sitting in a prison? Individuals with darshan include, and this is important, who is he sitting next to? It's a rowdy sheeter gangster, Wilson Garden Naga. There's another co-accused, Kula Sina, and his manager Nagaraj. Looks like they are possibly taking time off from a film shooting. Remember actor Darshan, Pavitra Gowda, 11 others who were arrested because of one Renuka Swami who was brutally tortured. Electric shocks were given to him and eventually he was killed because he appeared to have written some social media comment in the post of Pavitra Gowda that had caught the ire of Darshan. Now, the allegation against actor Darshan is that he hired goons who not only allegedly brutally tortured and murdered Renuka Swami, but also he was a part of that beat-up session too.
ಅವರು ಜೈಲು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಒಡಕ್ ಪಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಘಟನೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪರಮ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಹಳ ಶಾಕಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ತರ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ
ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸರ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪನೆ ಪಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೂನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
We went there, the police departmental people, senior people went there, investigated. They found, preliminarily, they have found about 7 people who were involved. So immediately they were kept under suspension. If there is, the further investigation is going on. If there is an involvement of senior officers, we will take action, on them also. We'll keep them under suspension also. This is a lapse on the part of the department officers. It should not repeat. I'll see that this will not be repeated again and again.
This has not been endorsed by the government. It might have happened because of some local adjustments with the local prisons in charge or whatever it is. The Home Minister has already has ordered an internal inquiry.
जेल के अंदर बैठकर कॉफी पीते हैं, सिगरेट पीते हैं, गपचुप मारते हैं, क्या एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है आपको? आप सोसाइटी को सस्पेंड कॉमन हो गया. 10-15 दिन के बाद उनको सस्पेंशन से हटाने के बाद वो ड्यूटी में ज्वाइन हो जाते हैं. सिटिंग जज का इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए क्योंकि एक गंभीर घटना है.
This shows the special treatment that Karnataka Congress government gives to criminals. It also shows the kind of rot in the system that is prevalent inside Karnataka police and Karnataka jails under the control of Karnataka Congress government. Rahul Gandhi talks about Nyaya in the entire country and they are giving Anyaya to the victim and they are giving special privileges and VVIP treatment to a person accused of murder. This is their true face.
So I go back to Anaga Keshav on this. Anaga, clearly political showdown also erupting. It's a Congress-governed state. But also as we look at these visuals, what is shocking is that this is not the first time. And as we know, possibly not the last time, that someone who's well connected may have law catch up to them, a woman or a man. But when they lead and reach this prison, where they're supposed to be equal like all prisoners and have a high security prison profile, that they have facilities coming to them. We've seen it with politicians earlier, and we've seen it with film stars like this one. I want to bring in Sagai Raj also in this. Sagai, as you're constantly trying to get updates on this, reactions, what is currently the political mood on the ground? How is the government responding to this? What is the opposition saying? And do you think that this is going to send shockwaves, or is it expected that this was bound to expect? What did we expect? Actor Darshan to be really struggling to live a life and have this punishment that has come to him in the prison?
If you notice, people who is quite well aware about whatever happening inside Parapanagara, it should not be shocking for them, because media has highlighted previously the lapses within Parapanagara prison when Shashikala was outside the prison, when she was supposed to be inside, but she was shopping outside in Bengaluru, on the streets of Bengaluru. And even at that point of time, media has highlighted the lapses, but the jail officials have not learned any lessons from their past mistakes. And even now, if you notice, the public are protesting outside Parapanagara prison, saying that there is a jammer which has been installed and there are no mobile network connection for the public. But here, inside the prison, the convicts, the prisoners, trial prisoners, are having a luxury life without any kind of hassle. They can make video calls, they can have a cup of coffee or a tea happily sitting outside the barrack and cell with the other prison inmates. And this particular photo as well as videos of the convicts and the trial prisoner definitely sent across a message to the people, saying that all is not well, the system is not working it should follow the protocol, and there are serious lapses on jail officials. This clearly shows there is a nexus between the prisoners as well as the government officials, prison officials.
The prison officials, and also the confidence for the actor to get someone beaten up, killed with accusations against him, clearly knew too many people possibly, or has a certain clout, that even if he goes to jail, he knows that nothing will happen to him. He can continue to chill and have a picnic with his prison inmates. Stay on with me, Sagai, because Anaga also joining me. Anaga, you're constantly getting these reactions and details coming in. What do we expect here on from this? Because there will be a political showdown, there will be outrage. Will the matter be over, or will there be some action taken on this?
Well, Pooja, action has already been initiated against the prison officers, because 7 of the prison officers have been suspended this morning upon the instructions of Chief Minister and Home Minister. 7 officers who are directly involved in this kind of adjustment that we saw between Darshan and his inmates and jail officers. Those who helped Darshan get mobile phone to do video call, those who allowed him to, relax by the garden area like it was a resort, those who supplied that cigarette to him, the ones who gave him that coffee mug, those who allowed Wilson Garden Naga to shift from barrack to barrack in order to meet Darshan. So all those officers who are involved in this are being suspended, because 7 of them have been suspended at the moment. Apart from that, even the superintendent inside the Parapanagara prison is also likely to be transferred, is what we heard from Home Minister Parameshwar this morning. So at this moment, action has been initiated by the government against the officers who are responsible for this. But from now onwards, security is going to be tightened inside the Parapanagara jail, because Home Minister himself conceded that there were serious lapses on part of the government and the prison department. And going forward, Darshan will be shifted to a high security cell, and so will his friends, the likes of Wilson Garden Naga, his manager. All of these prisoners and convicts will be shifted to a high security cell. CCTV deployment is going to be beefed up to ensure that such instances which bring huge embarrassment to the Home Department don't repeat again.
But will that change? That's the point, that perhaps now they know there is more scrutiny on them. Perhaps they'll be more cautious. But will he be living the life of a prisoner accused of serious charges? Stay on with me, Anaga and Sagai. In fact, that we are looking at more details. I want the viewer to look at the images on your screen. This is, remember, actor Darshan, seen sitting along with manager and 2 rowdy sheeters, criminals also. Darshan speaking to this prison inmate, so to say. Then there is a video call over phone. All of this, remember specifically, smoking a cigarette, mobile video calls from the prison cell are not permitted. It's not part of the protocol. The one who is sitting with Darshan is Wilson Garden Naga. Spotted with Darshan, he's a dreaded gangster and a murder accused. But they seem to be sitting and chatting like nothing has happened. And he's also been known to be this sort of a bouncer goon who was involved in real estate disputes, has been booked earlier also in the Gangsters Act. I must tell you, this Naga has also been a prime accused in 8 murder cases already. And look at the kind of benefits, facilities, laughter they get to enjoy in the prison. Dharma, we are told, is also a murder accused, recently killed another rowdy sheeter, also has been booked in the Gangsters Act of the police. Then there's another criminal, Satya, sitting there. He was recently released from jail, imprisoned for a minor offense. These are criminals sitting together. There should have been some shame, some guilt, some remorse. Yet, there's laughter, cigarette, chai, and a video call.